If you have already recorded a video on your device without universal capture and would like to make it available for your students to watch, you are able to do so. First, simply log into your account on Echo360, click the blue Create tab, and select Upload Media from the drop-down menu. Once you see Select Files to download, click the blue page with the white plus sign, find your video, and upload it. To select multiple video files, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click Other Videos you would like to upload onto Echo. Wait until the download progress bar reaches the end and the entire window will close automatically. If you exit the window before the upload is complete, your files will not be uploaded. You can also upload other media such as presentations, pictures, and audio. You also have the option to upload videos and other media from other sources such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. Simply select the options you would like to upload from and follow the previous instructions to upload. Note that you may have to sign into the other accounts that you are uploading your video from. If your file is greater than 220 megabytes when uploading from other locations, you will not be able to upload. Instead, download the media to your device first, then follow the previous instructions to upload it. When uploading media that contain molecular drawings, equations, and other items from PowerPoint or Google Slides presentations, they may not appear in your final uploaded video. Convert your PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation to PDF before uploading to Echo to make sure that these images appear. Uploaded files appear in your library and will not automatically add into a specific class or group. You may need to refresh the page to see your newly uploaded files.